Hello friends. Welcome to the 38th episode of #Backlinks. In the last video, I taught you about creating 5 contextual backlinks on 90+ domain authority websites, and in the tips and tricks section, I discussed the site-level ranking factors of Google. In today's video, I will teach you about creating 5 contextual backlinks on 90+ domain authority websites, and in the tips and tricks section, I will tell you about the latest helpful content update of Google. If you want to learn off-page SEO strategies or want to get your website ranked using high-quality link building, you can avail my 180 Days of Off-Page SEO Action Plan subscription. You can apply the action plan given in the guide for all the languages and niches. With the help of this action plan, users are getting their website ranked and driving organic traffic to their website. Now, let's go ahead and start today's topic. Our first website for today's episode is BuzzFeed. After signing up here, click on Make Your Own Post when you log in. After that, you will see a button, Create New Post, by clicking on which you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. After that, you have to upload the thumbnail and also upload any random pic by clicking on the image below. By clicking on Publish Now, your backlink will be ready, which you can check on the post page and also by going to your profile page. Our second website is Imager. After registering here, when you log in, you have to go to the posts. Click on the About section there, edit the About field and place your backlink in OBL format. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Save button. Our third website is Just Giving. After signing up here, when you log in, click on Start Fundraising. After that, you have to proceed by clicking on My Own Cause. Add your cover photo and proceed to Write Your Story, where you can write your own content and place a contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click the Save and Continue button. You can check your backlink by clicking on View Page. Our fourth website is Redbubble. Here you have to register by clicking on Artist Sign Up. After that, you have to click on Add a Bio in the Setup Shop section. You will see the field of Bio, where you can place your backlink in OBL format. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Save Changes, which you can check by going to the link in the copyright URL field. Our fifth website is Zillow. Here you have to tick the checkbox of I am a landlord or industry professional when you sign up for a new account. After that, you have to enter US postal code and phone number. You have to enter your business name and enter the US address in business address. After login, you have to click on Edit button and go to About Me. There you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. By clicking on Save Link, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by clicking on View Public Profile. Google has recently launched an update which it has named Helpful Content Update. In today's Tips and Tricks section, we will learn about this update and also talk about how to tackle it. With this update, Google wants you to write content for your site visitors, not search engines. If a visitor visits your site in search of a solution and gets satisfied with your content, then it is a positive signal for your website. But if someone visits your site and then visits another site, then it means that he is not satisfied with your content. This is a negative signal for your website. If you have a loyal audience who comes directly to you in search of solutions, then this update will benefit you. For example, Wikipedia, where people visit directly for information. After the helpful content update, the importance of quality content has increased even more. If you face problems in writing quality content or just can't afford to hire content writers every time, you can avail our 7 Unbelievable Ways to Get Quality Content for Free guide. With the help of this guide, you will get unlimited ready-made high-quality content which you can add to your website. For more details, check out the link in the description below. Let us go ahead and know about some important features of Helpful Content Update. As per Google, this update is a new site-wide signal that will be considered to rank web pages. First, let us understand what is this site-wide signal. It means Google will monitor your overall site quality. If there is some low quality or unhelpful content on your website, they will prevent your high quality or helpful content from being ranked as well. So site-wide ranking signals will impact your entire site ranking, including your high quality content. In the starting phase, it will impact only English searches. But in the future, Google will also include non-English searches. If your site is impacted by HCU, then you will have to work hard to recover, even it may take you several months. Google says that if your website is caught by this update, then your ranking will be lost and your website will be monitored regularly for several months. Your website will be recovered only if after regular monitoring for months, no unhelpful content is detected on your website. You must have understood that to tackle this new update from Google, you have to focus on your content quality, avoid AI-based content, and most importantly, give a satisfying experience to your audience. That's all for today. I hope you must have learned a lot from today's video. You can post your doubts, demands, and suggestions in the comment box below, or you can ask in the WhatsApp group of #Backlinks. Let's meet in the next video, with something informative and something very interesting.